Hey everyone, it's Lise and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another fabulous unboxing and this is a pretty large box, so that's why I'm kind of holding it down here. But we are unboxing Magic at Your Door. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so I have my box next to me today because it's quite large and I'm a fairly petite human being. So luckily I have all this couch space that I can use for this today. So Magic at Your Door is one of my favorite subscription boxes. It's always filled with wonderful things, and this is the gold box. So this is one of the bigger boxes that you can get. And on top, they have a pricing list. It doesn't tell you exactly what's in there, but it does kind of tell you what the colors mean. Like for instance, when you're at the parks and they have the different colors, it tells you how much it is. And whew, this is packed super condensed. So we'll see what we have here. There is a lot of funfetti inside of here. Oh, is this what I think it is? It is. Oh, how awesome. Guys, the Epcot bubblegum wall ears. This is exciting. I've wanted these for so long, and you know how the bubblegum wall is the background that I have on my channel and my Facebook page and all that. So these are perfect. They're perfect. And I love the sequins on there. Check those out. Those are stunning. And this metallic design that makes me think of Spaceship Earth. And they are part of kind of an Epcot Ear series. They have the different pavilions featured on the bow on several of them, but the ears are pretty much the same. So I'm really excited to get the bubblegum wall. Okay, I see a very big box. It looks like a Jim Shore, so I'm gonna hold off on that one. Holy cow. Y'all, look at this. Ah! There's so much. I hope someone's having a party sometime soon because I got you covered. Anyone who grew up on Fraggle Rock, you remember that like pile of leaves? That's what this looks like right now. Oh, look at that. Are these, let's see. Oh, look, they're little Mickey Mouse shirt. Look at this. This makes me think of like the cast members. So I too can be like a cast member with a little bit of Disney World's charm on my shorts. These have this really pretty, almost like a slate blue Mickey Mouse embroidered on them. They're very soft and they feel like they'd be comfortable. So I can't wait to try them. So I've got my gold pouch, which signifies that I have a gold level box. So I see there's a piece of paper in here. So it says, Happy National Ice Cream Month from your friends at Magic at Your Door. Now make a wish and do as dreamers do, and your July fantasy pin will arrive soon. They did send an email out that said the fantasy pins were taking some time to get to them. So they weren't sure if they would come in this month's box or not. So it looks like they did not come in time. So it says, our sincere apologies, but the July fantasy pin has been delayed and will be included in your next Magic box. But it has this lovely photo. So I assume that's what it's gonna look like. And if it is, I can't wait because I love me some snacks. I assume that my next box will probably have 2 pins in it, the July and the August pin. It's no big deal. I understand. Life is weird now, but it feels like something else might be in this bag. Oh, cool. Well, in case you were concerned that I didn't have enough funfetti, I have more, guys. Yay! And it looks like I got a lanyard that is Minnie Mouse. Cute. This will match all the Minnie Mouse stuff I've been getting in my boxes. So there's some Minnie. And it doesn't have like a little tag thing or anything, but it does have a price tag and it says $9.95. So I'm cool with the lanyard in place of my pin this month. I'll accept that. Okay, so it looks like we have one more item and it's the Jim Shore, and it looks like a pretty big Jim Shore, so I'm really excited. And I will not look at the side of the box. I'll show you the size of the box. So let's find out what it is. Oh, wow. Wow. I cannot believe this. Look at it. The Beauty and the Beast with the storybook in the background. Just look at that detail with the staircase and the storybook and the designs on all of the characters. Belle's dress. This is so lovely, and I can't believe the size of it. It is so big. Definitely worth all the funfetti and the wait. Look at the detail of the book on the side. This is what the back looks like. So, I mean, it just looks like open pages of a book. The staircase coming out of the storybook is just so cool. Any of the Jim Shores that have a book involved are on the top of my list. There's one with Stitch reading a book, and I hope one day I get that one. But this was also very high on my list, so I'm so happy to get this one. It's definitely going on my mantle because I think that's the perfect place for it. Well, that's it, aside from the mounds and mounds of funfetti I got in this box, which I'll definitely post a picture because this is just like, I don't even know how they fit all that in the box with everything else. It's crazy. I am impressed. Definitely people you want to hire when you have to go move. My favorite item from this box is probably my Jim Shore. That is so, so beautiful. Second choice would definitely be the ears. I'm so excited to have these ears. They are one of my favorite pairs that I've been eyeing for a very long time. So I love that they were in my box. For the size of the Jim Shore and everything, and I got some ears, I think it was a pretty decent price. Plus I got an item of clothing. So I love this box. This was one of those that had bigger items, more expensive items, so less items, which I have no problem with. Quality, quantity, that's all the same thing when it comes to your Disney mystery boxes. So yeah, I really like this one. So let me know if you got a July Magic at Your Door box and what kind of items did you get? I would love to see what you got. And do you have any Jim Shore wish list items that you hope to see someday? If you're looking to book your magical vacation, 2021 packages are open for reservations right now, and I am here to help you. My services are free, so feel free to contact me below and we will get your magical vacation all ready. And I don't just book Disney vacations, I can book you anywhere around the world. I can also help you take a staycation right in your own backyard. And remember to be kind, have courage, and always believe in the magic. Bye!